Take care, Jacob, okay? Yung pillow. Kita ng pillow, Jake.
What is this?
Close the door lang. It's raining. Jake, are you ready na, Jake? Where are you going, man? What are you gonna do there?
Sleepover.
Wow. Good afternoon, guys. Happy Saturday. It's 1:55 in the afternoon. And punta kami ngayon ng church. Ida-drop off namin yung mga kids dahil may activity sila doon, yung sleepover. One night lang naman, and then uwi sila bukas 11:45. So mag-church din kami, ako, si Daddy tsaka si Aya. At the same time, pipick upin na din namin yung mga bata. And grabe yung ulan dito. Sobrang gloomy niya today.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away.
Dapat by 2 p.m. nandun na sila sa church, and it's already 1:57, guys. Kasi natagalan kami na sa bahay. Hindi namin namalayan na almost 2 na pala. Ayan. Pero at least malapit lang naman yung church namin sa sa bahay. Bye, Diha. Bye, Jake. Love you guys.
Bye.
Have fun, okay? Diha, please kuha ni Jacob. Alalay ni Jacob lang.
See you tomorrow.
Baby. You have your phone.
Yeah.
Message us.
Bye. Love
Bye.
Bye,
love
baby.
you.
Love you. Bye, Jake. Bye, Diha. God bless, Diha. Huh? Kailangan na siguro sila ubanan. First time ni Jacob na mag-sleepover.
Si Diha, lagi na kasi sa school niya may mga field trip na siya na like mga camping. May sleepover din sila sa school.
Si Diha may upcoming na digital detox next week,
Oh yeah.
Friday.
Magsistay sila sa school guys without using
Gadgets, walang mga gadgets.
for a
So,
day, right?
yeah.
No, that's good.
Nagganyan na din sila last year and then this year. I think every year yan. Medyo kinakabahan ako ni Jacob kasi first time nga niya, but at least nandyan si Jayden, nandyan yung kapatid niya to alalay ba. And at least hindi gaano kalayo yung sleepover nila kasi kung ano mangyayari kay Jacob, at least mabilis lang nating puntahan. So ngayon na-drop off na namin yung mga bata, guys, and we don't know kung saan kami pupunta ngayon.
Ito yung mangyayari guys na pag wala yung mga bata hindi namin alam saan kami pupunta.
Usually weekend nasa mall kami, whole day nasa mall. Pero ngayon may activity yung mga bata. So hindi namin alam kung saan na kami.
Pero may reservation na ako ng for dinner namin kaso hindi alam ni May.
Yeah. Jacob, it's Mommy. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Are you okay? What are you guys doing there na?
Just at the gym chilling out.
Are there a lot of people already or not yet? Are there a lot of people na? Uy, ibutang man eh.
Bagal mo kasi magsalita.
Jake, tawagan natin.
Bagal mo daw magsalita.
Bagal mahina.
Bagal. Are you there, Jester, already?
Gibutangan mong ko niya. Ay,
Ana.
kidam ni nga baby. Awa na, di na mo tubag. Try natin si Jayden. Mutubag ba kaya to?
Don't think so.
Oh, hi Diha. How are you, Diha?
Good day.
Nagwat naman mo there?
Resting.
Resting? Dagan na people?
Yes, right.
Ah. Look uy, wait lang. Uy, meh. Look after Jacob lang ka, ha?
Already know.
Thank you lang ga. Enjoy. Have fun. Love you. Okay, bye. Ha, utang man dayon bago. Ay, nako, mga bebes.
Kaya enjoy na yun doon, naglalaro na yun. Kaya nagsasalita ka pa lang, sabi na niya, oh yeah, we're okay here, bye. Di pa nga
Gibutang man
tapos.
mo kung Jacob, eh. Guys, dito kami sa The Greek. Ito yung mga ano nila, yung mga special wine. And ito yung lamb. Oh, they also have lamb. Ito yung mga drinks, mga ano pa sila ngayon? Happy hour. So, siya, daddy. Oh, napalagi usa. Duha lagi na kong buka. Ah, ana, di ay. Which one?
Red.
Ano sa ni?
Ship cheese man.
Ayan, masarap yan. May calamari tayo dito. Lami, no? Ano sa ni? Ha?
Mountain ship cheese.
Mountain sheep?
Cheese.
Cheese? Oh, wow. It's so good.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Kami pag magandang. Oyster mushroom calamari.
Oyster mushroom calamari. Wow, iba din. Oh.
You should try this one.
Tapos may iba pa, yung regular na calamari.
This one. So. Maybe not some.
Wow. Oyster mushroom.
Kailan mo ito pagkagalan?
Try natin yung regular na calamari. Lamb. Kain tayo guys, and meron pa dito isa.
Alright, fine. You like red na food? Ano yung pwede mong bread? Ganaan, kape na. Di ba huwag
Guys, we're so busog. Naubos namin to. Nag-share lang kami ni Daddy kasi medyo malaki yung serving. That's hindi namin maubos. Ayan, yan na lang yung naano. Itutugo na lang namin to.
Ito ng portion.
Yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
Walang ano pa nga to is, walang breakfast.
Walang breakfast.
Walang breakfast, walang lunch.
Yeah. It's only, 6.
What?
6:05. And it's very dark. Kasi umuulan. But good thing ngayon hindi na siya gaanong kalakas yung ulan. Diyan lang kami nakapark. Neighborhood. Huh? Kapuya ha? Nahilis mo na nga itong gikaon. Hi guys! Nakarating din kami sa sasakyan. Hindi mo gid bitaw siya yung nakalayo eh. Diyan lang ba? Pag ganun kasi yung daan, yung pasaka ba, so paakyat. So parang nakakahingal, tapos busog pa. Saan ka pa? So the kids nag-text sa akin, nasa IKEA na sila. They have a scavenger hunt there.
Ay, ko pila mo ganun ngiki ko.
Alay, apil to. Dito na ko ikat. Ngiki pa ko na siya eh. Masin kita na tayo tinga diri. Good morning! Finally, it's Sunday guys. And pick upin na namin yung mga bata.
Grabe yung mga bata. 12:22. Gising pa.
Yun, nag-text pa sa amin mga 12 midnight,
kami, wala.
almost 1 a.m.
Matulog.
Tas ako din nahirapan matulog kasi wala yung katabi ko yung mga bata ba.
Oo.
It's 9:35 and yung church natin is 10 o'clock. We still have enough time kasi from here going there mga 10 minutes lang pag walang traffic. Here, Diha!
Find Jacob.
Where is he? And bring his stuff sa here. Ah, Jacob, there! Jacob, anyari dyan? Bring all your stuff lang ga. Huh?
Are you allowed to leave now though?
I don't know though. Jacob! Hi! I miss you, baby. How are you? Jacob, ganong nagka-double-double naman ka-jacket, Dudong?
Yeah, gave it to me.
Huh? Put it inside.
And I'm very thirsty.
You're very thirsty. How was it? Did you sleep well? Huh? No?
At 6, I had to use the washroom.
Mm-hmm.
So I left the place. It was dark.
Ew.
So I think it was so scary.
Was Dia still sleeping?
Everyone
Oh.
was
So what did you do?
I went to the bathroom.
Alone? Oh.
And after when I came back, I was shaking. Even like I was already done being scared, but somehow my body still was shaking.
Don't be scared. Uy, next time you're in church.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're inside church. So anyway, Jacob, you can get na your. Why you have lots of hoodie?
Yeah, I just want to wear.
You put it back. Put it inside. Put the hoodie inside.
I want to go.
Did you
home.
change?
No.
Ayan pa yung isang kasamahan nila o overnight.
You, Diha, and then 2 more or more?
I'm joking. There's more.
Oh.
So let me see. 3.
It's okay. So you can say like more than 6 like that.
There's
Sounds
probably
seven.
like 8 in there.
Oh, okay.
Which one niya?
Kids in the room when they sleep.
Oh.
Yeah.
We are starting to build like
Family
these
room there.
chairs that were facing each other.
Mhm.
I put the corner and faced it back like the chairs. Never mind. I'm not explain it.
No, it's
But
okay.
pretty much,
Yeah.
our the way how we built the chairs looked like World
wall?
War ships.
Were your ships? Fortresses. Oh, they all are good.
It was from my idea. When we first was about to like watch the movie Over the Hedge, remember that movie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one we watched that. I
Yeah.
decided to build like a chair fort.
Really?
Yeah, and then after that, some people went to my chair. I was quite happy because my idea was getting used.
Oh.
A lot of people started like using Jacob's idea to
Really, na?
Really?
Oh, that's
Wow.
good, na?
My idea
That's
grew.
good.
when I say everyone, I mean like everyone, like even Andrew and
Really, na? Oh,
Really?
that's good. Na?
Thank you.
Where did Andrew sleep, na?
with us.
What about the girl?
Everyone except, I'm pretty sure everyone except me, because I move a lot when I sleep, so I didn't want to risk falling off the chair.
In the middle, if you put your knee in the middle of the chair, it separates when you fall. Not really. It happened to me 2 times. I did get hurt.
Oh, okay. Did you go so you fell?
Not really, but my knee.
Oh, your knee fell, yeah.
Yeah, when I just
Because you moved
Yeah.
like that.
yeah, this is a
Yeah.
chair. I
Yeah.
put my knee there, just
Yeah.
separated.
Kuya, good.
Yeah, kind of separate, so I got up and then fixed it.
Pero wala ra ka na yayay.
No.
That's good. So nag-had fun na din mo na. You know someone in the house was crying last night.
Who?
Huh?
Who was?
I don't know. She's crying. I miss my babies. I cannot sleep without
Wait,
my
were you actually
baby.
crying? Was not actually crying?
She put two stuffies where you and Diha sleep.
Yeah, I pretended that you and Kate and Dina. But now I can sleep with you guys.
Guys, dito tayo save on. Grocery tayo konti. Kuha din tayo ng orange juice. Eto. No sugar. We are done. Pauwi na kami, guys. And rest. Konti lang. Kasi short week lang naman ngayon because long weekend bukas. There you go. Bahay na kami, guys. So, we'll just settle down and then rest. Right, Diha?